Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to extract unique items from a list in Excel. So I have a sample payroll data, and I want to extract the unique departments and export it to another part of this worksheet. As you observe in column F, we have duplicates. So my goal is to remove these duplicates and only work with the unique list of departments. To do this, I'm going to press Alt AQ, which is a shortcut for data. Under sort and filter, you see advanced filter. So this is the tool we are going to use. So when you press Alt AQ, it's the same as clicking the advanced filter. Now it opens up this dialog box. There are some options here. First, our goal is to copy the list to another location. If you choose the first one, it will filter the current list in place or the database you have. So I'll choose the second one to copy to another location. The list range is the entire set of data, in this case, department column or the department field. So you select including the header and then Control Shift down to go to the bottom of the list. Control Backspace to reset and come to the first page without losing your selection. So this completes my list range. There's no criteria range, you leave this part blank. Now in the copy to field, you specify where you want to dump this extraction. So you click inside and you are dumping this in K3. The last thing you do is to check unique records only. So this is just to ensure that we only get the unique records without any duplicates. So once this is done, copy to another location. Your list range is the entire column. Criteria range is blank. Copy to the cell you are dumping the extraction to, and you check unique records only. So when you click OK, you now have an extraction of the unique departments in this database. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. Or you can click subscribe for notification of new videos on our YouTube channel, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.